Hey guys, welcome back. You're tired of wrestling with that old pool vacuum, right? I get it. That's why today we're taking a deep dive into the Pivot Cordless Robotic Cleaner. This isn't just any other pool bot. First up, it's cordless. Forget those tangled hoses. We're talking pure, untethered cleaning power. This beast is designed for in-ground pools up to 1,100 square feet. That's a serious chunk of water. And check this out, it climbs walls. Yep, full vertical scrubbing action. No more algae buildup on those hard-to-reach spots. Plus, with its extended battery life, you're getting serious cleaning time, meaning less downtime for you. Hey, what do you say we go poolside and ask me how well this actually worked in my real-life experience for the last 2 weeks? Let's go, Doug. Let us know how it went. All right, this part is always exciting. I've used this for about a week now. I haven't looked inside of it. As you know, we are here inside of a cage in sunny Florida, so I don't necessarily get a whole lot of leaves, but we do get sand and dirt and grit. Now let's see if this was actually able to pick it up and retain it. Additionally, this has a design I actually haven't seen before, so it's actually a real question in terms of how well it worked. Let's open it up and see. Okay, here we go. We got clips on the bottom. Let's unhook these. Like that. Pop these bad boys open. Oh, look, you can see there's a bag of dirt. I've so never had this before. There is a ton of dirt in here. Hashtag shocked. Let's go take it, clean it out so you can see what's actually in here. A little cloudy out here today, but I thought I'd put this on here so we could actually see. Plus, I've never worked with this before. It's a whole new experience. Just putting it down. This is just held on with some Velcro. Yeah, just some Velcro and clips. Wow. First off, let me show you this. Like I said, don't get a whole lot of leaves and stuff, but look at all of the sand and debris this has collected. I mean, this is actually a legit amount. And then in here, doesn't look so bad like that, but watch this. Let's turn it inside out. Look at that. Oh. The pool guy was just here today. If I showed him this, I wonder what he would say. Anyway, this is so cool. Let me show you how to rinse it out real quick. So obviously you want to turn it inside out like this because you don't want to force the dirt into the mesh. You want to push it out the other side. Nice and clean. Let's go talk about it. Right, I got the bag over there drying out. I have to say I was definitely skeptical because I haven't seen a bag like that in a unit like this. And I think I've reviewed like 20 of these bots. And then, you know, when you don't see something before, you kind of be a little skeptical of it. But oh boy, did it work well. It worked so well. It was very easy to work with, which is something I appreciated about it. A little on the negative side, probably part of how it works so well is that material, like I put it down once, I rinsed it all off, it was nice and clean, put it down in the grass, I picked it up again, and it like had magnetically attached to every little piece of debris in the grass, so I just rinsed it off again. You have to be almost like on a clean surface to put it down before you put it back in the bot. Don't know what that means, I'm just sharing that with you. You just have to be a little more careful with it than just generically not paying any attention. In terms of how this thing worked, it worked perfectly. I turned it on, put it on, drove around the pool. You saw that. Obviously cleaned everything up. I cleaned it up in 2 minutes. It is cool looking. It is nice and light. It empties nicely when you go to pick it up out of the water. Self-parks by the wall. Not sure what else we want from a pool bot. So I'm going to say if you're looking for a great pool bot for that basic above ground pool kind of thing, maybe a little bit more intricate, but still more that basic kind of pool bot thing, this thing is really cool. I mean, it really did work quite well. I would definitely recommend this in those situations. If you want one, there could be a link right here on the screen. Worst case, it is down there in the description. Go and get one. It actually helps out the channel and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I'll say thank you in advance for that. Remember to like, subscribe, put any questions you have in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. All right, what do you say we unbox this and see what it comes with? An instruction book, nice natural looking packing. I believe this is a very well protected power supply, and it is, ooh, this is actually a uniquely designed hook. It's a little different than most of the hooks that get with these things. That's kind of interesting. And dun dun dun. Ooh, look at that. That is one very nice looking robot.